How to prove entrapment by police. Imagine being accused of a crime you didn't plan to commit, only to find out the police might have pushed you into it. That's what entrapment is all about. It's a tricky defense but can be powerful when used correctly. So, how do you prove it? Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to show that a government agent, like a police officer or someone working for them, encouraged or persuaded you to commit the crime. This isn't just about the police being present. It's about them actively convincing you to do something illegal. Next, you have to prove that you weren't already willing or inclined to commit the crime before the police got involved. If you had a history of criminal activity or showed a clear interest in breaking the law before police intervention, it could hurt your case. To gather proof, your lawyer will look at the police interactions, such as recorded conversations, messages, or witness statements. They'll check if the police used improper methods like persistent persuasion, deception, threats, or harassment. Remember, simply giving someone the chance to commit a crime isn't enough for entrapment. The police must have induced or coerced you into doing it. You also need to demonstrate that but for the police's actions, you wouldn't have committed the crime. This involves showing that you had no prior intent or willingness to break the law. Your lawyer might point to your clean criminal record, your reluctance, or your refusal to participate before police pressured you. When presenting your case, you need to show that it's more likely than not that entrapment happened. This is called the preponderance of the evidence. It's your job to convince the court that the police crossed the line. If you can prove that the police's conduct created your criminal intent, you might win your case. But if the court finds you were already predisposed to commit the crime, the entrapment defense won't hold. Remember, this defense focuses on police conduct rather than the crime itself. Successfully proving entrapment can lead to your charges being dropped or your case being dismissed. It's a defense that protects fairness and prevents law enforcement from overstepping. So, if you believe police pressured you into a crime you wouldn't have committed otherwise, talk to a lawyer about whether entrapment could be part of your defense strategy.